Hey guys, it's Nellie from Be Planner Happy, and this is just a quick little video to give you one tip. It's something that I've started doing, and you may want to start doing it too. And it's basically this. Whenever I create a spread that I really, really love, I have started taking a photocopy and printing it. Um, this is a spread that I made last year. I never got the chance to write in it. So, well, not that I didn't get the chance, but life gets busy, whatever. I didn't write in it. But I love it. I think it's so cute. And here it sits in my old planner with not being able to use it. I didn't want to take it out of here, so I thought, maybe I should just take a copy. So that's what I did. And you know what? It's pretty darn close as far as the colors go. I simply put it on my, the little scanner part of my printer. Of my printer, and I hit copy. And when I printed it, it prints it, actual size. So, because the other thing you can do is you can scan it and save it in your computer. The only problem with that one is, I'm going to show you. So now basically what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it out, and I'm going to use it whenever I'm too busy to create a spread, but I want to start writing in my planner, and I don't want to start writing on a plain page. So this way I'm going to have a nice little stack of planner spreads already decorated, ready to go, and I get to use my favorite spreads over again. So this year, I was taking a picture of this one. I love this spread. I think it's super cute. And before writing in it, I decided to go ahead and take a photocopy of it. So this was just a cheap paper photocopy. I put it on the scanner and I hit copy, and it came out like this. And this is like the cheapest paper you can possibly buy. And it looks pretty good. But then I decided to print it on some nice paper that's nice and thick and really smooth. So basically I'm just going to go in, I'm going to cut it to size. I'll probably put my page on top of it just to make sure I cut it, the right dimension, and then I can use double stick tape and stick it in whenever I want to use this spread again. Now this one, what I did was I took I scanned it and saved it to my computer, and then from that scanned picture I printed this. I find that it's not as nice a quality. I think you can tell. I mean, look at the difference in the color of the boots. So this one was just a straight up copy. Put it on the scanner, hit copy, and then this shoots out. This one was I saved it to my computer and printed it from that. I'm not sure why it loses, quality. Maybe somebody that's more tech savvy knows. But yeah, that's that. So I'm not only doing that with my planner pages, because basically then what I can do is just you go and you write out the dates, and then you can put new date stickers and then start writing. And then I'm also doing that with my my journal pages. So when I make a journal page that I really like, I want to have some journal pages already printed up that I can just pop into my planner in case if I'm not feeling inspired, but I still want to write, and I don't want to write just on a plain page. So that's it. That's my super quick tip. Take copies of your planner spreads and journal pages that you really love so that you can reuse them again and again and again, and you don't ever have to write on just a blank piece of paper. That was it. Okay, see you later. Bye.